Assalamu alaikum. Have a good day. If we see our information technology papers, so we know in our information technology papers, it's 50 marks, and here we have seen we have 5 topics here, that with 5 chapter, or you can say 5 modules. So what is that? Information system in business. And within information system in business, we have the information system business and also the component of information system. And then information technologies. And within information technologies, we have hardware, software, data resource management, and telecommunication of network. And if we see your chapter 3, e-business system is a vital part at this moment. So e-business system here, e-business system only topics, and another functional business system. And if we see electronic commerce system, electronic commerce fundamentals, e-commerce application and issue. And also chapter 5 or module 5, we can say enterprise business system. And within enterprise business system, we have 3 topics: customer relationship management, CRM, enterprise resource planning, ERP, and supply chain management, SMC. So this is the overall syllabus, and you have one of a reference book, management information system. It is also available in the website. Within this syllabus, every topics is including. Just you read your syllabus. So information system business, fundamental concept and information. Today we will discuss, if we see chapter 1 or module 1, information system in business, and today we will discuss information system in business. So within information system and business and the component of information system, here basic idea is that if we study the chapter, we will be able to identify the concept of a system and how it related to the information system. And also we'll be able to explain knowledge of information system is important for business profession, because we know all business, that means what we are learning, everything we should be aligned with that is information system should be aligned with the business purpose, with the operation. So that type of item, that means we will be able to understand, and also we will understand how the business application of information system can be support a company's business process, managerial decision making, and a strategy for the competitive advantage. And also we have to understand that means by this chapter several major types of information system, and also several challenge of business managers, and component of real world information system. So etc. is the basic idea. So if we see information system, what is information system? Information system are the combination of people, information technology, and business process to complete the business objective. So here is the basic definition. If we see this one, information systems are the combination of people, information technology, and business process to accomplish a business objective. So achieving the business goal, mission, vision, we have to align the information system within the operation of the business. So information system is a combination of people, information technology, and business process to accomplish a business objective. So information system have become a integral part in our daily business activity. For example, our accounting, finance, operation, management, marketing, everything, all within the, that means include in the information system. Here an organization, a combination of information, that means if we see the what is an what organization, look here, an organized combination of what people who are working hardware and software through the working communication network, policy and procedure, and data resource, and stores, retrieve, transform, and etc. It is an organized combination of information system. An information system can be any organized combination of people, hardware, software, communication network, data resource, and policies and procedures that store, retrieve, transform. And if you see the conceptual framework or outline of the major area of information system, IS, a framework that outlines the major area of information system knowledge need in business profession. So what is that? Information system is the, look here, information system, that means combination or include information technologies, foundation concept, development process, business application, management challenge, etc. Have to understand that there are 5 areas of information knowledge. That 5 areas are foundation concept, that means fundamental behavior, that means technical, business, managerial concept about the conceptual and role of information system. And information technologies, we know it, major concept, that means development, management issue, information technology, that hardware, software, network, data management, and many, that is internet-based technologies. And business application, the major use of information system for the operation, management, and competitive advantage of a business. And development process, how business professionals and information specialized plan, develop, and implement the information system to meet the business opportunities or achieving the business goal. And management challenge, the challenge effectively, that means ethical issue also challenge is that day by day technology is changing. 1 years before software technology and today's software technology are not the same. Every moment they are changing. And the fundamental role of information system in business, there are 3 fundamental roles. So look here, these 3 fundamental roles are in business, that if we see here that type of, in the business application information system provide an organizational support to business process. So look here, if we see it is the organization here, look here, also 3 line management also, if you say uh, upper one, top line, top management, middle management, and the first line management or lower management. So here, how they integrate, how they fundamentally work. Look here, in the top level, support strategic for competitive advantage, that interrelated with the support business decision making within the mid-level management, and that also the support or integrated with the support business process and operation at the third line management or lower management, that is here. Look here, if we see this is the organization at 3 managements here, top management, middle management, and first line management. So these 3 fundamental role, they are interrelated to each other, and also they are integrated, that means their main work is that to achieving the mission, vision, or goal of the organization. So that's why the fundamental roles of IS within the business, they are interrelated with the all level of management. And that means they support the business process and operation, support decision making, support strategic and competitive advantage. It's all the within the management. So if we see here what here, support business process, competitive information, and what is system? If we see system, a set of interrelated components with a clearly defined boundary which work together to achieve a common set of objectives. That means, for example, for company X, the objective of company X to be achieved through the system, information system that established or implemented within that organization. So what is an information system? An organized combination of people, hardware, software, communication network, data resource, and policy procedure, which that means capture, store, retrieve, transform, information in an organization. So it is the information system, and information system and IT, that means information system IS versus information technology. So what is the difference between information system? Is all of the component of the resource necessary to deliver information and function to the organization, and the information technology, that means hardware, software, network, data management, is the combination, that means hardware, software, data management, resource, etc. is the information technology. And information system is the component of resource necessary to deliver information and function to the organization to achieving the goal of the organization. And if you see here, IT, look here, information system, here within the information system, here organizational performance resource, business environment, economic, within the country, within the market, technology, and policy processes of the country, and within the business, all item needed here. Look here, here business aligned, better data management, integrated data management, electronic commerce, e-commerce, strategic system, also require the global economy, ethics, business ethics, social responsibility, information, innovation, and etc. So if we see the fundamental concept, fundamental behavior, technology, business, managerial concept, and information technology, we know it, hardware, software, etc. is the information technology, and business application, major use of information system in the organization, and development process, how to plan, develop, implement it. Of information system, data, database, process, information, etc. Trends in information system. If you see here, I think also you know it. So here, look here, from the 1950 to 1960, it was the data processing. And from 1960 to 1917, it was the management information system. And 1970 to 1980, decision support system. And 1980 to 1990, there was huge change come here, EIS, IS, ES, SIS, and e-commerce come from the 1990. And 2000 and just by one, now the technology, that means huge revelation with the technology, and the role of e-business in business. Business today depends of internet, intranet, and extranet. We know it. What is internet? What is intranet? What is extranet? So look here. If we see manufacturing a production, also we know that your production process, there are cost of element. If you will study in your management information also, material, labor, and overhead. And with that element, cost of element, with that element, we are producing our product. And here, manufacture and production, if we see the middle side, it's support to the engineering and research, support accounting and finance within the organization, supply chain management, procurement, distribution, logistics, and also customer relationship, marketing, sales, customer service. And within this is the boundary. So this is called, within this system, is the internal within the organization. And outside the boundary of the company's boundary, there are supplier, business partner, customer, business customer, and communicate with the internet. Enterprise collaboration system. Enterprise collaboration system involve the use of software, tools, support, communication, etc. And e-commerce, we know, e-commerce is the buying, selling, marketing, and servicing the product, service, and information over a variety of computer network. So e-commerce is the buying, selling, marketing, and servicing of products, service, and information over a variety of computer network. And types of information system, there are different types of information system we have. If we see the information system, basically there are two types of information system. One is operation support system, another is management support system. And within operation support system, it's support to the business operation. And operation support system that include a specialized process system, transaction processing system, process control system, enterprise collaboration system, and management support system. Another that we see for part of information system is support to the managerial decision making. So management information system, decision support system, executive information system, a specialized processing system. All system helps to the management for decision making, for surviving, or that means running the business. And that type of system also have the expert system, knowledge management system, strategic information system, functional business system. So this is the different types of information system in our business also. An operation support system, it is held for the operation. So a summary of operation support system, we can say here, transaction processing system, that means process data resulting from business transaction, update operational database, and etc. And process control system, monitor, control industrial process, and enterprise collaboration system, support team, work group, etc. So here, transaction processing system, they were important for the transaction. That means we know the POS, that means point of sale system. In many retail stores, for example, if you go for Agora or your Unimart, we are using our card that is through the POS system. And the process control system is monitored. And if you see management support system, your basic item is management information system, decision support system, executive information system. And all here management information system provide information in the form of a specialized report that is for the help to the management for taking the decision. And decision support system provide that is extra decision making support to the management, top management. And executive information system provide critical information from MIS, decision support system, and other for the help to the management for decision making. And management information system provide information is the form of report display to management. Also at this moment, maximum organization, they are using the technology, and they have the dashboard, all item within the dashboard, main item they can view, overview, and take the decision through the dashboard also. And decision support system give decision direct computer support to the managers during the decision making. And if you see the executive information system provide critical information from a wide variety of internal and external resource in easy to use display to execute and managers. And here summary of other category. There are different types of these other categories are this one. Look here, the below side here, 4 item, expert, knowledge, strategic, functional is the other types of system. So these other system is there: expert system, knowledge based system, knowledge management system, strategic information system, and functional business system. Now the management challenge of information system technology. That means here success of today's business environment depends heavily on maximizing the use of internet-based technology and web-enabled information system. So here this is because the computer-based information system, though heavily depend on information technology and operation of the business, people are variety organizations setting the business environment, and a challenge is that managing the cash flow of the organization, employees buy-in, forecast open work environment, choosing partners and strategic alliance, finding the right people, right employee for the right place, for right work, capture the employee critical knowledge, and the internet and e-commerce, etc. is the proper, that means information technology challenge. And if we see example of challenge and opportunity, so here challenge is that business enterprise, and that means speed of flexibility required for the production development. For example, all that means technology based production, that means speed nowadays is very much critical, because speed and flexibility requirement to product development, manufacturing, and delivery within the delivery cycle or production cycle, re-engineering of the organization, and cross-functional integration of business, etc. The work for the business enterprise, and that help to the information technology how used to the internet, intranet, extranet, and web-enabled item and IT infrastructure. Through that, company can use, that means value addition, and customer value addition, business value addition, through the give customer what customer want, when they want, how they want, etc. At the cheaper cost. So it is the value addition for the organization, and coordinate to the manufacturing and business process with supplier and customer, marketing the channel partnership with the supplier and distributor. So this way customers value and business value or organization value can be increased through using the technology within the business process, within the organization. Now, success and failure with information technology. Success should also be measured by the effectiveness of the information technology in supporting the organization business strategy, enables business process, enhance organizational structure and culture, and increasing the customer and business value of the enterprise. So, if any system, information system, can value add for the organization, it would be the proper system for the organization, and that success depend how effectively the technology can use. Development information system solution, how develop within the organization. So first, what have to do, firstly, investigate which technology required, then analyze it, then design it for the organization. After designing, completing the coding or software, then at implement within the organization, and continue maintaining it through the picture. If you see, developing information system solution, developing information system solution to business problem can be implemented and managed as a multi-step process or cycle, and that is the cycle if you see here. So here, challenge and ethics of information system. As a prospective manager or business person, we have to challenge the ethical responsibility generated by the information technology. For example, what use of information technology might be considered improper and harmful other people to society. We will not use that. And also, what is the proper business use for internet and organization IT resource, that how can the protect ourselves from computer crime or cyber crime and our risks of information technology. This is the some question for the outline ethical dimension for information system. Example of some of the ethical challenges that must face the business manager. Look here, application of IT, that means customer relationship manager, human resource, that potential harm is that can be privacy may not be happen within that system, and potential risks is customer can boycott. For example, you deposited amount in your bank, and you deposit amount, the amount you deposited, that information is the private, That means only you know and your bank, this means bank know, but other person do not know the information. If any leakage come, that type of, you will not go for that bank, you will go another bank. So that bank, they will lose the customer, and IT purpose, that means the privacy purpose also. And that type of item, so customer satisfaction is required for the business, and a possible resource, we have to maintain the code of ethics, we have to maintain the proper security and data security, big data analysis security, and the certification of the different organization for the security purpose. So this way we can be solve that problem. The information technology function is that, here if you see, the function is the successful manager of information system at technology resource, major challenge in business manager and profession. A major functional area of business equally as important for the business success. An important contributor of the operational efficiency, and recognize the resource of the value of the firm, a major resource of information and support needed to prompt effective decision making, a vital integration of development, competitive production and service of the organization, and dynamic reward challenge career opportunity, a key component of the resource, a strategic resource. So that is the item for the information technologies function. That means all should be aligned with the business resource mission. The information technology department, every organization, they have the IT department, ICT department also, information communication technology department. Also our ICAB also have the IT department. Now we are taking our class and arranged by the IT department. So that department, what they do in the information technology department, perform this core function on the IT side, and introduce and maintain computerized information system to process data effectively and produce useful of timely information, provide the appropriate hardware, software, network, communication, infrastructure for automation, achieving the business goal. And different types of organizations, though you are doing the audit in different organizations, you will see that most of the IT department, they engage also purchasing item, IT item, for example, laptop, computer, hub, networking, etc. All the responsibility for purchase that, and also they take the inventory also, asset, that is IT asset inventory. So etc. The work for the information technology department. So this is the first chapter, point 1. Here, basic thing is that we have seen here information system and our 5 area of information system knowledge, 3 fundamental roles, and what is system, trend of information system, also role of e-business and business, enterprise collaboration system, e-commerce, types of information system we have seen here, operation support system and management support system. And also we have seen here the challenge and opportunity of information system, how to develop information system cycle, challenge of ethics information system, the role of information system function, and the information technology department, what they're doing. So this is the first chapter. So if we see here few MCQ also, so here MCQ, filling the blank, and some small case study would be there. So here a few item is here, and all not for the from the first chapter, also from the IT side, just for understanding. Look here, in terms of system, finished product and information are example of what would be the answer. Feedback, process
Output.
control, output.
Output.
Yes, you are right. Output is the answer. So
Sure,
it's
sir.
all for today, and inshallah we'll meet you again in next week. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Thank
Assalamu alaikum.
you.
Allah
Assalamu
Hafiz, sir.
alaikum, sir.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.